rejected his kiss, and he got mad.
A happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy.
Treat? You just had a whole bunch, so you can't have any. No treats for you. Waffles?
Me someone that lives in your house rent-free?
Did you find yourself a good stick? Is that a good stick, honey? Good luck bringing it up here. Oh. You got it.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Oh no!
Good morning, Pappy.
I looked outside and saw my dog was a bit stuck.
Ellie. Ellie, sit. Ellie.
Unbelievable. No. What are you doing? So now I can't even put stuff up there? I'm looking right at you. Slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to catch. Oh!
Nothing gonna break my stride. Nobody gonna slow me down. Oh no, I got to keep on moving. Ain't nothing gonna break my stride. I'm running and I won't touch ground. Oh no, I got to keep on moving. Ain't nothing gonna break my stride. Nobody gonna slow me down. Oh no, I got to keep.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
What do you have in your mouth, Harper? Huh? What is it? What do you have in your mouth that you don't want us to see? No, I'm not friends. We're not friends right now. What's in your mouth? You gonna show me? Should you have that? Come on. Give it up. No, we're not friends. We're not. No, and she's not gonna help you either. What is in your mouth? Come on. Come on. Come on. Something red. What is it? Let go. Let go. Oh, you're a bugger. I'm going to get that off you soon.